All right, team, let's get this show on the road. Welcome to your 7-day weight loss journey, where we will embark on an exciting adventure to transform our bodies and minds. This week is all about pushing our limits, discovering our strengths, and achieving those fitness goals we've always dreamed of. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, this program is designed to challenge you and bring out the best in you. Are you ready to smash some goals and feel absolutely incredible? Picture yourself at the end of this week, feeling stronger, more confident, and full of energy. That's what we're aiming for. Each day, we'll focus on different aspects of fitness, from cardio to strength training, flexibility, and endurance. We'll mix things up to keep it fun and engaging, so you never get bored. And remember, it's not just about the physical changes, it's about the mental and emotional growth too. We're going to kickstart your weight loss journey with a bang this week. Every session is designed to maximize calorie burn and boost your metabolism. We'll start with some high-energy workouts to get your heart pumping and your body moving. These workouts are not only effective, but also a lot of fun. You'll be sweating, smiling, and feeling the burn in the best way possible. And don't worry, we'll guide you through every step, ensuring you perform each exercise correctly and safely. Remember, we've got to get that body moving. Movement is key to weight loss and overall health. It's not just about the workouts, it's about staying active throughout the day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk or bike to work if you can, and find little ways to incorporate more movement into your daily routine. Every bit counts and adds up to big results over time. So let's commit to being more active and making healthier choices every day. Before we start with the high-energy stuff, make sure you take a few minutes to stretch and warm up those muscles. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body for the intense workouts ahead. It increases blood flow to your muscles, improves flexibility, and reduces the risk of injury. We'll guide you through a series of dynamic stretches that target all the major muscle groups. These stretches are designed to get your body ready for action and ensure you perform at your best. We want to avoid any injuries and make sure you're feeling good to go. Safety is our top priority, and we want you to enjoy this journey without any setbacks. Listen to your body, and if something doesn't feel right, don't push through the pain. There are always modifications and alternatives to suit your fitness level and needs. Our goal is to keep you motivated, injury-free, and on track to achieving your weight loss goals. Over the next 7 days, we're going to hit each exercise hard for 5 minutes. These short, intense bursts of activity are incredibly effective for burning calories and building strength. We'll incorporate a variety of exercises, including high-intensity interval training, HIIT, circuit training, and bodyweight exercises. Each workout is designed to challenge you and keep your body guessing. By the end of the week, you'll be amazed at what you've accomplished and how far you've come. Let's get those endorphins pumping. Exercise is not just about physical transformation. It's also about feeling good. When you work out, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. You'll feel happier, more energized, and ready to take on the world. So let's embrace this journey with enthusiasm and positivity. Together, we'll make this week unforgettable and set the foundation for a healthier, happier you. Let's do this! Okay, Monday crew, let's start strong. First up, we're going to get that heart rate up with some jumping jacks. Remember, keep your core engaged and land softly. Feel that energy. Next, we're hitting those legs with bodyweight squats. Keep your back straight, chest up, and imagine you're sitting back into a chair. You've got this. Finally, we're going to finish strong with high knees. Drive those knees up high and feel the burn in your core. Remember, 5 minutes of each exercise, no slacking. Tuesday team, let's build some strength. We're starting with push-ups. If you're a beginner, feel free to modify on your knees. Remember, it's all about that controlled movement. Next, we're working those legs and glutes with lunges. Take a big step forward and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Keep your back straight and core engaged. Last but not least, we're holding that plank. Engage your core, keep your back flat, and imagine you're a strong, sturdy plank of wood. You can do this! Midweek motivation, let's go. Today we're cranking up the intensity with some HIIT. First up, burpees. Remember, it's a full-body exercise, so give it your all. Next, we're moving on to mountain climbers. Get into a plank position and bring those knees towards your chest, one at a time. Keep that core engaged and imagine you're climbing a mountain. Finally, we're finishing strong with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. Feel the burn in your abs. Chapter 4. Thursday Warriors, let's keep that momentum going. Today we're diving into a high-energy cardio and toning session that's designed to get your heart pumping and muscles working. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this workout will challenge you and help you reach your goals. So grab your water bottle, towel, and let's get started. We're starting with jump rope. This classic exercise is not only fun but also incredibly effective. Jumping rope can burn up to 10 calories a minute, making it one of the best cardio workouts out there. It's also great for improving your coordination, agility, and overall cardiovascular health. So find your rhythm, and let's get those feet moving. As you jump, focus on keeping a steady pace. You don't have to go too fast. Consistency is key. Keep your knees slightly bent and land softly on the balls of your feet to reduce impact. If you're new to jump rope, start with short intervals and gradually increase your time as you get more comfortable. Remember, practice makes perfect. It's a great way to burn calories and improve coordination. Plus, it's portable and can be done almost anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or even outside, all you need is a rope and some space. So keep jumping and enjoy the benefits of this fantastic exercise. Next, we're toning those arms with tricep dips. This exercise targets the triceps, the muscles on the back of your upper arms. Strong triceps are essential for many daily activities and can help improve your overall upper body strength. To perform tricep dips, you'll need a sturdy chair or bench. Use a chair or bench and lower your body until your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure to keep your back close to the chair and your elbows pointing straight back. As you push yourself back up, focus on engaging your triceps. If you're new to this exercise, start with a few reps and gradually increase as you build strength. Feel the burn in the back of your arms. This is a sign that your muscles are working hard. Remember to breathe steadily and maintain good form throughout the exercise. If you find it too challenging, you can modify the movement by bending your knees and keeping your feet flat on the ground. Consistency is key, so keep at it and you'll see improvement over time. Finally, we're working on our core stability with Russian twists. This exercise targets the obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen, and helps improve your overall core strength. A strong core is essential for good posture, balance, and stability. To perform Russian twists, sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side. You can hold a weight or a medicine ball to increase the intensity. Make sure to keep your back straight and engage your core muscles as you twist. If you're new to this exercise, start with a few reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Engage your core and feel the burn. This exercise not only strengthens your obliques but also works your entire core, including your lower back and hip flexors. Remember to breathe steadily and maintain good form throughout the movement. With regular practice, you'll notice improved core strength and stability, which will benefit you in all areas of your fitness journey. Keep pushing yourself and enjoy the process. Friday Legends, let's finish the week strong. We're starting with side lunges. Step out to the side, keeping your toes pointed forward, and lower your body until your lead knee is bent at a 90-degree angle. Feel the burn in your inner thighs. Next, we're working on those abs with sit-ups. Lie on your back, knees bent, and use your core to lift your upper body towards your knees. Finally, we're finishing with a bang with butt kicks. Stand tall and bring your heels up towards your glutes. Feel the burn in your hamstrings and glutes. Saturday Superstars, let's keep that energy high. We're starting with squat jumps. Perform a regular squat and then explode upwards, jumping as high as you can. Land softly and repeat. Next, we're working on those legs and glutes with leg raises. Lie on your back, hands by your sides, and lift your legs up towards the ceiling. Lower them back down with control. Finally, we're finishing with arm circles. Stand tall, arms outstretched, and circle them forward and backward. Feel the burn in your shoulders and back. Sunday champions, let's finish the week strong with an active recovery. Today, we're focusing on exercises that will help our muscles recover while still keeping us active and engaged. Active recovery is essential for maintaining our fitness levels and preventing injuries. It helps to increase blood flow to the muscles, which can reduce soreness and speed up the recovery process. So let's get started and make the most of this session. We're starting with walking lunges. Take a step forward and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Walking lunges are great for strengthening your legs and improving your balance. Make sure to keep your back straight and your core engaged throughout the movement. As you step forward, focus on pushing through your heel to activate your glutes and hamstrings. This exercise not only works your lower body, but also helps to improve your overall coordination and stability. Continue walking forward, alternating legs. Remember to breathe steadily and maintain a controlled pace. Walking lunges can be done anywhere, whether you're in the gym, at home, or even outdoors in a park. They're a versatile exercise that can be easily incorporated into any workout routine. If you're looking for an added challenge, you can hold a pair of dumbbells in each hand to increase the intensity. Keep going, you're doing great. Next, we're working on our core with flutter kicks. This exercise targets your lower abs and helps to build a strong, stable core. A strong core is essential for overall fitness and can improve your performance in other exercises as well. Lie on your back, hands under your glutes, and lift your legs slightly off the ground. This position helps to support your lower back and ensures that you're engaging your core muscles effectively. Keep your legs straight and your toes pointed. Kick your legs up and down in a small, controlled motion. The key here is to maintain control and avoid letting your legs drop too low. Flutter kicks are a great way to add variety to your core workouts and can be done anywhere with minimal equipment. Keep your movement steady and focus on engaging your abs throughout the exercise. You're doing an amazing job. Keep it up. Finally, we're finishing with a wall sit. This is a fantastic exercise for building strength and endurance in your lower body, particularly your quads and glutes. Lean against a wall with your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. Make sure your feet are shoulder-width apart and your back is flat against the wall. This position helps to engage your core and maintain proper alignment. Hold this position, engaging your core and quads. Try to hold the wall sit for as long as you can, aiming for at least 30 seconds to a minute. This exercise is great for building mental toughness as well as physical strength. Remember to breathe deeply and stay focused. You're almost there. Keep pushing. Great job today, everyone. Active recovery is an important part of any fitness routine, and you've done an excellent job of incorporating it into your week. Keep up the good work and stay consistent with your workouts. See you next time. High fives all around, team. You absolutely crushed it this week. Remember, consistency is key, so keep up the amazing work and you'll see incredible results. Before you go, make sure you cool down and stretch those muscles. It's so important to show your body some love after a good workout. If you enjoyed this 7-day challenge and want more awesome fitness tips and routines, hit that subscribe button and join the team. You're all amazing.